Hey everyone, from the side, and I'm going to explain the Uniswap V1. So this was the Uniswap white paper which was listed in 2020 to explain the working and concept of Uniswap. So I'm going to explain this. So Uniswap is a basically swapping interface that allows any users to exchange any ERC20 token with any Ethereum token. This is the basic concept, and it has some following features which are given below. You can add support for any ERC20 token using the Uniswap factory. You can add any ERC20 token using the Uniswap factory if they are not available on the pool. Join liquidity pools to collect fees on ETH ERC20 pairs. So, if you want to join the liquidity pool, then you have to submit ETH and equal amount of ERC20 token, maintaining a 1:1 ratio. The next is liquidity sensitive automated pricing using constant product formula. So liquidity pools of Uniswap uses a formula which is this x into y is equals to k. Suppose x is USDT and y is Ethereum. So the number of USDT tokens and the number of Ethereum tokens and their multiply should always be a constant k. Let's understand this with an example. So suppose this is a person, Elon, and he wants to swap his 50 USDT with Ethereum. And in this liquidity pool, we have 150 USDT and 100 Ethereum. And the K constant is equals to 15,000. This is multiplication of both these tokens. So if Elon submits 50 USDT in this pool, then our value of USDT will equals to be 200, and the value of our constant has to be 15,000. It has to be constant. So the value of ETH would be 75, and if we minus 100 with 75, we will get 25. So the value of 50 USDT is equals to 25 ETH at this liquidity pool. So if he submits 50 USDT in this pool, he will get back 25 ETH. So this is how the liquidity pools work using the product market maker formula. And like this, we have several liquidity pools containing ETH and different ES20 tokens uh, in a Uniswap. So let's move to the next point. Trade any ES20 for okay. Trade ETH for any ERC20 without wrapping. So we know that ETH is not a ERC20 token, and we have to make it wrapped every time when we want to use it. But in Uniswap, you can use it directly without wrapping it. Trade any ERC20 for any ERC20 in a single transaction. So normally the Uniswap was made to swap any ETH with ERC20, but you can swap any ERC20 with ERC20. What it does, like first, if you have to swap any ERC20 with any other ERC20 token, so what it will does, it will first swap your ERC20 with ETH in your first pool, and then simultaneously in the second pool, it will swap that ETH with again the desired destination ERC20 token. So this is how it works, and in only a single transaction. Trade and transfer to a different address in a single transaction. Yeah, that's same thing. Like you can trade and transfer to various addresses in a single transaction. So this was the formula, and we have some concepts and terminologies which are here. Like for each ARC20 token, Uniswap V1 has exactly one exchange contract. Okay. When you add liquidity, you receive pool tokens, LP tokens. Okay. So if you want to take part any liquidity pool, then if you add any amount of ETH and ES20 tokens, then you will get a share of LP tokens, which will define your ownership in that pool. And whenever you want to withdraw your money from that pools, you will be rewarded according to your LP tokens. But yeah, that's the mail. When you want to exit, burn your LP tokens, receive your proportion share. Slippage. Like when big trades causes big price changes, this concept is called slippage. And we have also a concept in this Uniswap is arbitrage. Suppose this was a liquidity pool, and here the value of USDT USDT is 150. Like for 50 USDT, I got 25 ETH. But in the real market, suppose the value of ETH is very high, for 50 USDT, you will get only two ETHs. So what people do, they buy cheap ETH from these pools, and sell them in the higher prices in the market. But these works are mostly done by a MAV bots and agents, and this is called arbitrage. So, and this is the picture that explains ETH to OMG exchange in Uniswap. So this was taken from the white paper. This is the picture, and all the formulas and functions for these trades are given here. Like this is ETH to token transfer, ETH to token swap, and get exchange. And you can test it out from here and their website too. Thank you for watching.